I see technology not just as hardware, software or process. It's like a full ecosystem that needs to work in sync, the software being a big part of it. Originally, we were looking for a software that could at least do what we were doing. That's not that we say we only wanted to have a one-to-one replacement. No, it should have the functionality that we had, as well as the ability to build on that functionality and look into continuous improvements and smart manufacturing. We started with a replatform project around 4 years ago, where it was for us really important to replace our legacy system. The legacy system was not necessarily not functioning, but the challenge was to maintain it and build on it in the future. And that's why we started the whole replatform project, looking into different vendors supplying third-party software. Control-S being one of the parties to join that vendor selection, and went through the process of RFI, RFP, eventually really selling their software system Symphony.
So I joined in that selection process straight away, and that's also where I indeed met Control-S, that are the suppliers of Symphony. And I was positively surprised by the fact that they really have an object-oriented model, and that you can create workflows out of any of those objects. So your machines become an object, your products become an object. You could even say that your humans become an object with attributes that you can then link into workflows, which was not something that I never came across in my previous career. So that vision of a virtual plant where a store or someone connecting to our network can order something, and that based on characteristics of this factory network, we route those PDFs, that was already there. And with that vision and with the business continuity in mind, we had to find a solution that also still financially made sense.
Yeah, well, with all of these projects, it's always a journey that you get on, and it hasn't been flawless from the start. The technology is indeed one thing. The other important factor for us was really the collaboration with Control-S and building a partnership. For us, it was never just buying the software, implementing it, and then we're done. As we want to build on it, we were very much looking for a collaborator and a partner. We definitely find that with Control-S, which has been visible throughout the whole 4 years of working on implementing the software.
I believe that ecosystems with people, but also with software and with process, should be as open as possible. And when we select partners, I look people in the eye and I'm like, okay, is this human? Is this conscious person, and is it an open person? And are we willing to share? And if that click is there from a technology and from a people point of view, then beautiful things start. And I think that's what we have in place with Control-S, between Storio and Control-S. I think the first ROI for us came from the fact that we don't have to develop and maintain this software. That's being done by Control-S. And what is particularly interesting for us is that we pay by use. So the positions, we call them the products, they flow through the software. A book is a content and a cover, so that's actually two positions, but we pay for what flows through the software. And that helps us tremendously in building new workflows, right? Because the software is already there, we only pay where we use it. And also when we move products from this facility to the German facility, who is all the same software, we have the costs move with that. So that's one big element for us.